Okay, so what you want to get to, go into your Google Drive where I shared the file, click download, download anyway. That'll take a minute to download. I have, well, pretty good internet, but come on. Oh my god. 2 megabytes per second. Once it's downloaded, if you're on your main page in Beamng, you click repository. If you're not, then hit escape and click mods at the top. It's near the vehicles. So go to repository. Over here, click mods manager. Then open mods folder, and you will have this. I have all my mods here. And then right click your files, another file explorer window. Go to wherever you saved your thing. It's normally here in downloads. Drag to anywhere in this mods folder. Make sure it doesn't go in any of the other folders, and then you can see it's right here.